This is our 2017 Aston Martin DB11. It's in the absolute beautiful colour, absolutely beautiful. It's called Morning Frost Pearlescent. It's a very expensive option and it gives a lovely pearlescent depth to the paint. Looks fantastic. When the sun hits it, you see all sorts of different gold and silver sparkling flakes in the paint. What a car. It's got the best engine to have. You haven't got a borrowed Mercedes V8 in this. You've got the hand-built by Aston Martin V12. What more could you want in a car but a V12? I mean, realistically speaking, what's the point of having an Aston Martin unless you've got a V12 in it? This particular version, 600 horsepower, twin turbo, 200 miles an hour, 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds. It looks phenomenal. This one's got over £30,000 worth of factory options on the car. It's got Aston Martin extended warranty still. It's got 2 years left of the factory 5-year service plan prepaid. Last service in March 2020. It's got 10,500 miles approximately. 2 keys. It's got tracker fitted with 2 tracker fobs. Subscription just needs to be resubscribed to. So it needs nothing. You've got these fantastic vents in the bonnet. Not all of the DB11s have these, some just have these too. This one's got this lovely bit of gloss black wind deflector in the vents on the side. Looks phenomenal. You've got these full LED headlights, all round 360 parking sensors with top view. It's a great option. It's in beautiful condition. The last owner bought it from Aston Martin directly in last year, 2019, September if I'm not mistaken. They've only done 1,500 miles. So he bought it with about 9,000 miles on. It's barely been used. I saw this and I just thought, I've got to have it. The colour was just, and the options, just phenomenal. You've got these lovely wheels, which were an option, of course. They come in a 255 40 ZR20, so a 20-inch rim. You've got the grooved brake disc with the red calipers and the Aston Martin logo on them. They're huge. They're probably about, what are they? I can't see from here, but probably about 6 pot. V12 badge on the wing there. And then that fantastic black Strake. So it's got all the black design pack, which gives you the black side skirts, strakes, gloss black splitter at the front, and then all the roof in gloss black. Looks phenomenal. Got the pop-up spoiler at the back here. Aston Martin logo. Twin outlet exhausts with perforated sections around it. Rear diffuser, third brake light, rear camera, and then sensors all round. Got the touch handles. These light up as well. It's just stunning. Nothing screams class and quality more than an Aston Martin. And the new Vantage, yeah, it's nice, but it's a Mercedes car. It's got Mercedes V8 from getting the C63. Well, if I wanted a C63, I'd buy a C63. If you want an Aston, you need a V12. And let's face it, there's not many cars that come with a V12 now, with all these emission controls and having to reduce your carbon footprint. So get a V12 now while you still can, because pretty much in a few years' time, manufacturers won't be able to make them anymore. Let's have a look inside. So we'll pull open the handle like so. Some of the options here, you've got double glazed windows. You can see there the twin glazed panels. So it's nice and quiet. It's a great Grand Tourer, this. It's not a hardcore performance car, it's a Grand Touring performance car. So it's comfortable, it's refined, it's a beautiful car. Best colour combination. So you've got all these perforations in the leather. This was all an option with the red behind it and the red stitching, the gloss black, piano black trim here. It's got the B&O sound system, which was like a £6,000 option, and you can see there they actually pop up out the dash, the two tweeters, as well as all the other speakers. It's a phenomenal sounding speaker system if you know, if you want the best. Automatic lights, your handbrake, your vents with this satin silver finish. Again, that's mirrored everywhere else, the satin silver and the gloss black. You've got this lovely Alcantara headlining in dark grey. You've got the wings on the headrest in red embroidery stitching, looks phenomenal. And then all these perforations on the seat with the red, that's all optional. A lot of these cars don't have this, and it just makes it look and feel special. Got the red seat belts. Even this is finished in Alcantara at the bottom, not just plastic as it would on most cars. Your handle, again, leather and red. Of course, adjusts forward automatically. Got that you've got the vent in the headrest, and then you've got your rear seats, your B&O sound system, red seat belts, and stitching continues. Everywhere's covered in leather. You've got your electronic front armrest. Speakers in the rear pods as well. Electric memory heated seats. This has got the heated and ventilated seats. Nice option to have. I've listed all the options down in the ad so you can see everything that's come with, and that's from the actual spec provided by Aston Martin, so I haven't just guessed that. I've double checked it, and got the original sales invoice from when the previous owner bought it from Aston last year. So it's a nice original car, everything's there exactly. It should be the toolkits in the boot, or tyre inflation kit, whatever you want to call it. No glove box on Aston's. So yeah, I was looking for it the other day, I couldn't find it, and I realised there isn't one. What else have we got? The tailgate. Let's release that. Should be a button here. Warning triangle. So okay size. You can get a few weekend bags, a suitcase, golf clubs. It is an Aston, it's a performance Grand Tourer. Your compartments there have your tyre inflation kit and other bits. Let's have a look at the engine. Now let me think if I remember how to release the engine compartment. Ah, it's here, there we go. .2 litre V12 twin turbo, DB11, hand built by Stephen Nicholson. That's what I like to see. British engineering, hand built V12, not hand built in Germany, hand built in Britain. Great Britain, folks. Beautiful. I love this car. Just makes you feel proud to be British. Now let's have a look inside. So you've got this lovely knurled finish on the controls here and here. You've got satin aluminium paddle shifters. Got the digital dash. Then your main screen, which has your navigation and media controls, etc. You've got a lovely frameless rear view mirror, Alcantara on the headlining here and the LED light. This controls the armrest with the cup holders and your storage. That's instead of your glove box, essentially. Over here, you've got all the controls for the screen. So you can just swipe your finger like this and then press it to select whatever you want. Okay, so you can select navigation if you want. You could media, so if you want to play different media systems, you can play via Bluetooth, etc. Let's go to our camera, and there you can see, I mean, the doors are open, so you won't be able to see the door view because there are any switches on when the doors are closed, but essentially it's got a 360 top view cam, making for easy parking. Lock and unlock, parking sensors on or off. Media system, radio nav, these are just shortcuts, and then your volume control, you can just slide it across like that to adjust the volume. You've got the beautiful glass engine start button and drive, neutral, reverse and park. Again, the knurled finish to the vents. It feels special place to be in. It really feels lovely. And of course you've got the same here. Now this home button controls the screen here, and then this knob, this allows you to select which function you want from this button. So it's just another way of controlling the main screen. Suspension can then obviously be adjusted from firm to soft to sport plus mode. Look at those B&O tweeters. So, shall we give it a little bit of revs for your pleasure, so you can see what the car sounds like. Nothing too crazy because don't annoy the neighbours. And that, folks, is our 2017 Aston Martin DB11 with over £30,000 worth of Aston Martin factory options, finished in the stunning Morning Frost pearlescent white, with only 10,500 miles. Represents fantastic value for money, costing near enough £200,000 new. It's now less than half. Look at the way those doors open up with that slant. Just looks so sporty and so sexy. It's a beautiful car. We offer, of course, nationwide delivery to your door in an enclosed trailer, so it arrives pristine. We offer full detailing service if you want the car detailed and protected. We can do that as well. We can, of course, offer finance packages. We have a specialist broker that will deal with all your finance requirements and give you some fantastic packages that you may not be able to get yourself elsewhere. If you'd like to discuss anything more, please do give me a call, drop me an email or a text, and I'm more than happy to discuss this with you, and we will go from there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest car reviews, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.